Oh guys, welcome to Press Calculations YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at the topic called variation. Okay, so we've got what we call direct, inversely joined, and partially variation. So we are going to look at direct. So when you hear the word direct, meaning that whatever you have this side is equal to this side. So if y varies, direct as x, meaning we are going to have something like this, okay, or y like that. Then to finish it up, we are going to have something like this: y is equal to kx. Yeah, this looks like the general formula for the direct variation. So here we have the question, which is saying, given that y varies directly as x and y is equal to 5 when x is equal to 2. So before you proceed, you have to look at the data that you have, okay? You have the first data, which is ending from here, okay? And then the second data is starting from here to here, all right? Good. So here we have our first data there, okay? So we have y is equal to 5 and then x is equal to 2. Then k we don't know. So the first data that we have, it is going to help us to find the value of k, which is constant, okay? So question number 1, k. Given that y varies directly as x, meaning that we have something like this, then it's going to be like this, okay? Then finally we are going to have y is equal to kx. So this is same as equal to. So y is equal to 5, then k, then x is equal to what? 2. So we're going to say over 2 over 2, okay? So k is equal to 5 over 2, or 2 remainder 1 over 2. This is the answer. We continue under variation, which is able to give us a direct. So here we have so many questions for variation, but I want you to learn about direct variation first. So here we have another question. Two variables x and y have corresponding values as shown in the table below. So this question is 2018 GCE paper 1, okay? This topic is for paper 1. So the question is saying two variables x and y have corresponding values as shown in the table below. So we have the values of x and the values of y. Given that y varies directly as ax squared plus 1, find the constant of variation, which is k. There we have. So this one is going to be our question 2, okay? It's going to be our question 2. So the data that you have is there. So here you cannot calculate the value of k minus coming up with the what? The formula. So y varies directly as what? As x. So meaning we've got that, which is saying x squared plus 1, okay? And finally we are going to have k open bracket like that, then plus 1 close. This is our formula that we are going to use. Then our data, we've got, I'm going to write it here. So y is equal to 20, then x is equal to 2. The numbers are coming from this table, okay? So here we're going to have y is equal to 20, then our k is there, then x is equal to 2, meaning here we're going to have a 2 and plus 1, so 2 squared. 20 here is equal to k. 2 squared, it is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, it is 5. Then 20 there, we are going to have 5k over 5 over 5. What is the value of k? Is 4. Okay. So that is the value of k. So if you replace 3 here, you need to get what? You need to get 40 here. Let's prove that. 3 squared. So in step 1 we don't need calculators, but for the sake of time, this is the reason why I'm using calculator. Then times 4. Sorry. 3 squared, it is 9, then plus 1, then times 4. We have a 40. So this is our correct formula. Then here they're saying find the equation connecting y and x. This is the same equation that we are talking about, okay? So B, we are going to have y is equal to k. We have already formulated the what? The equation. Then C. Calculate the value of a. So where there is x in this equation, we are going to replace with what? With a. So we are going to have y is equal to k, then a squared plus 1. So a is able to respond with what? With 104. So our data here we have k is equal to 4, the one we found here. Then y is equal to what? 104. Then a, we don't have, is the one we're looking for. So y is equal to 104 is equal to k, which is 4. Then here a squared plus 1. Okay. So here the first step is to remove the what? The brackets. 4 times a squared, it is 4a squared. 4 multiplied by 1, it is 4. Then here we're going to collect like terms together. 104 minus 4 is equal to 4a squared. So here we're going to have 104 minus 4, it is 100. 100. 4a is equal to 4a squared. So a over 4 over 4. Before you remove a squared, you should first work with this coefficient. You should make sure that there is no coefficient number here. So 4 into 100, it is going to give you a 25 is equal to a squared. Now you can introduce the what? The square root, both sides. What is the square root of 25? Is 5. Okay, the number that you can multiply 2 times, you get 25 is 5. So this is the value of a. This is how we answer such questions. Okay, let's proceed and calculate another one. So in the next video, we are going to work out 2021 GCE question 18. Follow for more, like my videos, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Goodbye.